treat time. It's treat time. Angel, popcorn. Guess what time it is? It's treat time. Here we go, babies. Treat time. Come on. These are good girls, right? Come on, popcorn. Come on, baby. Uh-oh, the thing is in the way. Hold on. There we go. Come on. Come on, popcorn. It's okay. Come on. Come on, popcorn. Popcorn, don't be shy. Don't be shy, baby. Come on, you can do it. It's okay. Come on. There you go, girl. There you go. Come on, Angel. Popcorn, you're so silly. She acts so silly. She's a silly girl. They were fighting when I got home. After I got home, they started bickering at each other. So then they calmed down and they went to their perches and then they were good. So they calmed down, so I gave them their treat. Right? Yous are fighting. Yous are fighting. I don't know why. Is it because it's ugly outside? Yous are moody. They're still adjusting to the time change. Because when I woke up this morning, they did not want to wake up. My poor babies. I know. They got used to me waking up late on the weekend. Well, not that late. But like 8:30, 9 instead of 6:30. There you go. So it's rainy and cold outside in Chicago. Angel and Popcorn. You do not want to go out there. You do not want to go out there. Wait until Friday. Friday's going to be only high 20. So I have plastic for my windows to avoid the drafts. They got their mini little bird heater, and I'm going to start covering them with another little tarp, which is draft proof. These are going to be nice and toasty and warm. Yeah, I don't want my babies getting cold in the winter. And I have my temperature gauges. I have 2 in this room where they're at. Another one in the kitchen, just to see the temperature at all times in my apartment. Has to be good 74, 75 for them. Right, babies? And no drafts. The weather has been good until today. Until yesterday, it got really cold. Really icy and sleet and everything. So, come on, Angel. Come on, Angel. Oh, she's getting sleepy. Oh, baby, I know. We'll eat your treat and then you could go to sleep. Yeah. So I hope everybody had a great Tuesday. Popcorn. What is wrong with popcorn? Come on, Popcorn. What do you see? She's so silly. Popcorn's so silly. You silly girl. You silly girl. You're cute, though. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. You too, Angel. These are so pretty. These are so pretty. They love it. They love when I baby talk to them. When I say you're so gorgeous and beautiful. Mwah. She's like, it is too late, Mother, to give out kisses. I'll do it on the weekend. Look at Angel. All right, so everybody have a good night. Say good night to everybody. We're going to end this video. Let them finish your treats. Then we're going to sleep. Like good girls, right? We're good girls. All right. Everybody enjoy their night. Sweet dreams. And go to sleep early. Oops, I'm sorry, baby. She's probably like, mother, pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, baby. All right. Bye. Say bye, babies. Just like, we're eating our treat, mother. So cute. Okay, bye.